We're now on the Scott's Miracle Grow Company Community Garden Campus, and joining me is Katie Speicher, who manages a lot of the area around here, but in particular this community garden. It's a huge community garden. Tell me a little bit about it.
Yeah, so the community garden campus was installed in 2009. The space consists of 4 acres of gardens. And in this area where we're at, we mix ornamental and edible horticulture together.
It's beautiful. Yeah, we've got the pollinators flying around us, obviously,
Yes.
and the vegetables as well. So you have it kind of divided up into themes in each area. Can you tell us some of those themes?
Yeah, so yes, like you said, different gardens are designed into different themes. So we have a cutting garden where the plants primarily in that garden are planted to be used as cut flowers. We have a fragrance garden, so that's designed with a focus on like the plant's fragrance. We have in the garden that we are in currently, we refer to it as pottage, but the French term is potager. So kitchen garden. And so this is designed kind of in that traditional pottage garden design where it's incorporating vegetables and herbs, different flowers that you can use for different purposes.
Well, you've done it well, and I love that it showcases different ways of growing vegetables, because you also have traditional rows, right? And then, of course, the community garden. Let's talk a little bit about that space where the community actually comes in.
Yeah, so the section we're in right now is actually maintained by Franklin Park Conservatory horticulture staff, but we do have plots in one section of the community garden campus that community members can rent out and grow vegetables or flowers, so they maintain that space.
And then you've got a lot of different programs, outreach that's happening, not only here, but also beyond. Tell us a little bit about some of those programs.
Yeah, so within the community garden campus, it's kind of the home for a couple different programs. So we have our Teen Core program. They actually have a garden within this space as well. Teen Core is a summer program for teens and teaches them different life skills and work skills with a focus on urban agriculture. Okay. So they actually have a garden space that they maintain. Then they'll harvest that produce and sell it at our farmers market that we host weekly on Wednesdays.
Okay, and so some of your staff help with that Teen Core program and educate them about gardening, or?
Yeah, so our education and community outreach department are the ones who run the program, but then they do rotations. Okay. And so they work with horticulture staff twice a week during their program.
Fabulous. And then also tell me a little bit about this outreach program where you've got kind of a cooperative of other community gardens, it sounds like.
Yeah, so we have our program called Growing to Green, and that is a program that provides tools and resources and education to different community gardens throughout Central Ohio. So they help to establish those gardens.
Well, Katie, thank you so much for sharing all of this. It's just a beautiful garden, and you could spend all afternoon really looking around here. So thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for coming by.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.